just showing one real life example. So I will take something else. That is, I will consider something else for x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So what is the something else here? Something else here is uh, in the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 means I actually want to mean that it is 10, 15, 20 like that. Okay, so let me write it down. What is x? So in the x-axis it is, or say 100. Okay, it is quantity by 100. Quantity by 100. It is written in the x-axis. That is quantity of a certain product. Okay, but it is by hundreds. Okay, so 1 means 100, 2 means 200, 3 means 300, like that. Okay, and the y-axis, that is also different thing. It is also not the same thing. So in the y-axis we are writing production cost, and it is by thousands. It is by thousands. So the y-axis is production cost, okay, and it is given by 1000. So in this case, if you see 1 means 1000. If you see 2, that means 2000. If you see 3, that means 3000. That is y, and x will be 100. Is that okay? Do you understand my situation here?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you
Okay,
didn't share the screen,
so
sir. It will be better if you share the screen.
it is shared. It is shared.
No, sir.
You do not see the screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
But sir, we can I can see the screen.
You should. I mean, it is already
Sir, I also
written
Now
see
I
the
can
here.
see.
Share
screen.
it. Okay, let
Now
me
I can
share
see,
it
sir.
again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me share it again. Let me share it again. Do you see the screen?
Now
Yes,
I
sir.
can see the screen, sir.
Okay, so everyone can see the screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good, good. So that is fine. Now let me put some point here. Let me put a point here. So there is a point. This is a position of a point, and it is A. And there is another point, say for 5, and it is like this, 5, 5, 5, like this. So this is the point for B. Now this figure is given, and I am giving you some questions on the left side. Okay, the figure is given. I am giving you some questions on the left side. It is question number 1. Okay. Answer the following questions on the figure given. Okay, so this is the starting. Answer all of the following questions on the figure given. Okay, so what are the questions? Number 1 question is write the coordinates of A and B. So this is first question. Number 2, find the midpoint of AB. Okay. Interpret the meaning of this midpoint. Okay. So it is number 3. Sorry, 2. Number 3 question. What is the number 3 question? Number 3 question is find the slope of the line AB. Okay, and describe the meaning of this slope. So you will also write the meaning of this slope. What do you understand by this, or what is the meaning of this slope? So this is question number 3. And now I will also give you another question number 4. So what is the question number 4? I'm writing here. It is like construct the equation of the line AB. Okay, and this is number 4. Okay, just construct the equation. Number 5 is you now from the equation find the production cost for producing say 475 475 units. Okay, that means you already know that x-axis is the quantity and y-axis is the production cost. So you find the production cost, and the unit means quantity. So there is another question from the equation again. What is happening here? Okay, so just let me write it again. From the equation again, find how many units can be produced by spending taka 7,500. So that is the next question. So this is another question here. Okay, now you try to think. I will show you how to do that one by one. Try to think about the questions and then try to solve. So I will show you one by one, don't worry. So these are the real life oriented question, and the figure is also given on the right side. So let us do it one by one. How can you answer the question number 1? That is first question. So the question is very simple, coordinates of A and B. So who can tell me coordinates of A and B?
A 1, 2.
Yes, and B?
5, 5.
Okay, so everyone is okay with this 1 comma 2 5 comma 5.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so you will not answer in this way. It is wrong. It will be wrong. You will not answer in this way. You can see it is 1 comma 2 5 comma 5. That is correct. But actually the coordinates, the meanings are different. So what is the actual meaning? The actual meaning is 100 and 1000. So you have to consider that thing. It is 1, but it is not actually 1. It is 2, but it is not actually 2. So actually the coordinates. So you answer uh, number 1. Let me write it here. Answer for the question number 1. So you write coordinates coordinates are coordinates are 1 2 means 100 comma 2000. Okay, it is A, so you write A here. And the second point is B, so you write B and then 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5 means 500 comma 5000. So that will be the answer. And you can write it also here. You can also write it here. You will write the same thing 100 comma 2000, and it is 500 comma 5000. If you do not write this here, no problem, but you have to understand, you have to write A coordinate 100 2000, B coordinates 500 5000. Okay, that is the answer, correct answer for question number 1.
Sir, I
Is
have
that
a
okay?
question, sir. Sir,
Yes.
is that we have to always take 1000 and what 1000 and 100, sir?
Why you have to take this?
Sir, for when we will do our maths, sir,
Hmm.
then is that we have to always take it?
Maybe yes, maybe not, but try to think why you should do this. Because I am
Sir,
your
because
teacher, I am saying.
who, sir?
Then
Because maybe in the question you write that coordinates. Maybe that's why.
exactly. This is the question. It,
Yes,
it
sir.
is it is written here. Production cost by 1000. You are seeing this, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see this quantity by 100 also, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the thing. So if I write this is 100, this is 1000, then do this. If I
Okay,
write
sir.
if I write both are 1000, then do the 1000. If I write this is 10 and this is, I mean, 100, then do that. So let us go to the second question. So second question, find the midpoint of AB. So you know how to calculate the midpoint of AB. So let us just do this. So let us do the question number 2 now. So let us do the question number 2. So first question is find out middle point. So you write coordinates, you write like this, coordinates of the midpoint. Okay. You use the formula midpoint of AB. So what is the formula?
X 1 plus X.
100 plus 100 plus what? So are you okay with this or you do
Yes,
not
sir.
understand? So 100 plus 500 by 2 and 2000 plus 5000 by 2. So you do the calculation. You do the calculation like, okay, so this is the calculation, and what is the answer you are getting? So what will be the answer? Answer will be
300.
300,
300.
3,500.
comma, what?
3,500.
3,500. Correct. So this is the middle point. If you want to show this in the figure, I can also give question like that. Okay, show it in the figure. So you draw the thing and then you show this in the figure. So the middle point will be in the middle. So what will be the middle? The 3, okay, 3.5, 3 and 3.5. So do you think it is correct? 3
Yes, sir.
and 3.5. So this is correct. Okay. Now, I did not tell you in the question that you will show this in the figure. So it's fine. 300, 3,500 is okay. This is the first part. So what is the second part? Interpret the meaning of this midpoint. So what do you understand by this midpoint? Can anyone tell me what is the understanding of this 300, 3,500? Can anyone tell me? Okay, so let me help. So what do you understand by this? You understand that total, or total is not necessary, just production cost. Production cost is taka 3,500 for producing 300 units. So that is the understanding, that is the meaning of this point. What is X? 300. What is Y? 3,500. So what do you understand by this now? You understand that you have to spend 3,500 taka if you want to produce 300 units of the thing, of the product, whatever the product. We do not know what is the product. So that is the understanding. Is that okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
X means quantity of production and Y means costing of production. So if you see 300, 3,500, that means X is 300. X is 300. So X 300 means this is the production unit. So how much you are producing, that is your X. And what is Y? Y is 3,500. So what is the understanding? Understanding is Y means production cost. So your costing will be 3,500 taka. So this is the meaning of the middle point. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is okay with this, then it's fine, very good. So it is not given in the question. I'm just telling you, if you draw the line, and if it goes like this, I mean, if you extend the line and it goes like this, okay, then what you understand by this point? What you understand by this point? This is not a part of this question. I'm just telling you. Maybe in some other question I can give you something like this. So if you draw the line, if you extend it to the left side and it crosses the y-axis line, and this is the point where it crosses the y-axis line. So what do you understand by this? What is this point? Anyone has any idea? What is the x value and y value of that point?
X value for 0 and 1, sir.
Maybe
Y.
little more than one, maybe more than one.
Yes, sir.
So what? Maybe 1.2 or 1.3?
1.1 as like this.
Okay, so 0 means 0, 100. 0 means 0, 100. So 0, 100 is 0, fine.
Yes,
And
sir.
what is 1.2 thousand? So what will be this point actually? This point will be 0, comma what? If it is 1.2, then what you will write?
Sir, 1200.
1200. So 1200. It is correct. 1.2k. 1.2k, right?
Sir.
You understand 1.2k. So this is 1200. Fine, possible. So it's fine. 1200. Good. What do you understand by this point? Like this, the meaning of this point. What will be the meaning of this point? What is the meaning of this point?
Sir, production cost is 1200 taka for producing 0 units.
Yes, correct. So is this okay or do you find something confusing?
Sir, I am a little bit confused because if I don't produce any units, so how my production cost will be spent?
Good. So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
good. Yes, good. Good. Very good understanding. It is okay. So explain, Abdirizak. Can you explain this situation? Or Abukar Dahir? Who can explain this situation? You are not producing any unit, but the total cost is 1200 taka. Is this a mistake in the question or is this correct? Who else from BBA or economics?
Sir, I am from economics.
So can you explain this? No?
No, sir.
Okay, so let me ask somebody else. Anyone can explain this? Someone from BBA?
Sir, I'm also from BBA.
Okay, so can you explain this situation? How can be, I mean, how can this be possible?
Sorry, sir, I can't.
You cannot, okay. So anyone else? No one else. Okay, good. So let me explain this. It is a matter of business, economics, this kind of thing directly. So it is correct. The situation, the question is correct. So some expenses, some costing may be necessary if you do not produce. Okay. Say the factory, say the industry is closed, but still you need to spend something. Okay, maybe the rent of the factory room or house or land, or the electricity bill, or the bill or expenses for the security guard. Okay, so some expenses may be there if you do not produce anything, if you uh,
Sir,
have the factory closed. Okay, and that is called the fixed cost. This one is called the fixed cost. This one is called the fixed cost. Fixed cost means some expenses will be always there if you do not even produce anything. So that is called the fixed cost. So in this situation, the fixed cost is 1,200. So I can give you another question here. From the drawing, find out the fixed cost. So if I write find out the fixed cost, then you will understand some costing which is fixed for every business. If there is no factory open, if there is no production, in that case also there will be some costing or expenses. So this is called fixed cost. Yes, now you tell me what is the question, Tanvir or Gulam Rabbani. What is your question?
No, sir, I am understand now.
Okay, good. So
It will,
this is
sir, it will be, sir, a pattern cost or trademark cost, or is
many
it,
many
sir?
other things, many other things. Just the fixed things, not related to the production directly. If you do not have the factory open, the factory not running, but there will be some costing. So that is the fixed cost. So this is all. Let me now go to the third question. Let me now go to the third question. I am just erasing this blue color things. It is not a part of this question. So I am now going to third question. Now read the question and try to do this. What to do?
Find the slope of the line AB.
Okay, so you know how to find out the slope.
Yes, sir.
So you do the calculation and
So
then I
slope will
will.
be 7.5.
Okay, good. So let me just do this for everyone so that everyone can understand. So it is slope of AB. So slope of AB will be, you can write M. M is the name, but it is not mandatory. It's up to you. So in this case, you will write 5,000 minus 2,000. Sorry, 5,000. 5,000 minus 2,000 and divided by 500 minus 100. So that is the y difference divided by x difference. So it is 3,000 by 400. So it is 7.5. It is correct. 7.5. It is correct. So this is the slope. So you have to write the meaning of this slope also. So I am writing the meaning here. So calculation is all right. The calculation is okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let me write down the meaning of this slope. So you see the meaning of this slope here. Actually, the meaning is uh, the slope here is more than 1. Okay, the slope here is more than 1, that is greater than 1. Okay, and also positive. And so one thing is positive or negative, that is one point. Another point is more than 1 or less than 1. So there are two things to consider here. So in this example, it is 7.5. So it is more than 1 and it is plus. So you understand the slope here is positive and greater than 1. So uh, the line line grows, or just you can write go. Line goes upward and and uh, with more than 45-degree angle. Okay, 45-degree angle. So you can write like this. So what is the meaning of more than 45-degree angle? More than 45-degree angle means it is steeper. It is steeper. What is 45-degree angle? 45-degree angle is just in the middle. Okay. 45-degree angle is just in the middle like that. This is 45-degree angle. So when it is more than 45, that means it is in the upper side. It is in the upper side. So it will be like this. It will be like this. And if it is less than 45, then it is in the lower side. So it is be like that. So more than 45 or less than 45 means the line will be steeper. It is called steeper. So line will be steeper. In Bengali it is khara. Okay, line is steeper or flat. Is it steeper or flat? So steeper means it goes fast. It goes fast. So what does that mean? It means if you produce more quantity, the production cost will be also more. More go right side, more and more quantity, so more and more production cost. So that is the meaning of this slope. So slope, if it is negative, then it will be different. If it is negative slope, then the line will go like this. The line will go like this. Okay, downward. Line will go downward. Downward means it will be lower and lower and lower. So when it is possible, the slope is negative. Negative slope means downward curve. Negative slope means downward line. Okay, it is going downward. And in this case, it is positive. So positive slope means it is upward line. Upward line means it is going up and up and up. So if it is going up, fine, then what is the value of m? That is another important thing. So if it is like going up, but it is like this, okay, then it means lower than 1, maybe 0.5. It is also positive, but it is flat. And if it is 7.5, that means more than 45 degree, so it is steeper, it is up. Do you understand this? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is the meaning of the slope. Now let me go to the next question. So next question is very simple and straight cut. That is construct the equation. So you know how to construct the equation. That is, you can use 2-point formula, or you can use 1-point formula also. It's up to you, because in this case 2 points are given and also the slope is already found, so it's up to you. Okay, any formula you can apply, no problem. So which one you want to apply for the next question? Which formula you want to apply?
Sir, anyone, sir.
No, anyone is not a decision. What is the choice? What is the decision?
Sir, I think 2-point equation will be easy.
Okay, okay, so use that. Okay, so you will write equation equation of equation of AB. So how you find the equation of AB? So
Sir,
2-point formula. So 2-point formula, x minus 100 divided by 100 minus 500, and then y minus 2000 divided by 2000 minus 5000. So that will be the formula. Now you do the calculation and then finally you get the answer. So uh, it is minus 400 and it is minus 3000. So minus 30, so minus 4, so 30x plus, okay, 30, not 30 is not necessary, 15 maybe, 15, 15x minus 2, yes, 15x minus 2y, is that okay? Do you agree with me? 15x minus 2y will come. Do the calculation and let me know the answer. 15x minus 2y and then the number. So what is the number? 1500 and 4000 minus, is this the answer? Is this the answer? Have you calculated already?
we're calculating, sir.
Do this quickly. We do not have enough time. Who else can calculate quickly?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
It is correct. Okay. Now that is the answer and finish. Now go to the next question. 5. They have said from the equation you find out. So what is the given thing? What is the given thing and what you need to find out? You need to find out production cost. What is production cost? It is actually Y. And what is the given thing? How many units produced? So it is X. So now you know what is given X equal to. Okay. So you will write, okay, given that X equals to 475. So if you put 475 here, if you put it here in the equation, so you will find out the Y value. Is there any problem? Not a problem at all. So you will write 15 into 475 and then minus 2y and then minus 2500 equal to 0. So you go to the next line, you calculate this thing. So
Okay.
y will come.
Uh,
Very, very simple. So what is the answer for this?
minus 2.
15 into 475 you do first, then minus 2500 and then change the side and then divide by 2. So y will come.
Yes, sir. 15 minus 2 minus 2, 0, 15 gone 475. 15 gone 475.
Sir, it will be 2,312 taka 0.5, sir.
1,300.5.
What?
2312
How many thousand? 4,000.
2000, sir.
Okay, 2,000, 2,000.
312 point.
0.5.
Okay,
Yes.
12.5 taka. Good. So this is your answer. And for the last question, y is given. Spending taka, that means y. Y is given 7,500. It is given, and you need to find out how many units. How many units means x. So you put this thing into the equation again and then do the calculation. So x will come. It's very easy. So it is like 15 into x. So you will find the x value, and then 2 into 7,500, and then minus 2,500, and then equal to 0. Find x. So that is all. So this is the last question. Okay. So take care.